Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes and today I am going to take the class of 9th chapter 8 motion. What is motion? For the knowledge of motion and more topics you can watch my previous video. Today's our topic is uniform and non-uniform motion. What is non-uniform and uniform motion? We will see here. First is uniform motion. What is the uniform motion? When an object travels equal distance in equal time interval. When any object travels equal distance in equal interval of time, that is called the uniform motion. Let's see the example. Here, suppose any object is on A position and it move from A to B, then it cover 10 meter distance in how many seconds? 5 seconds. Again it move from B to C, then here how many distance he covered? 10 meter in time 5 second. Again it move from C and go on D, it cover again 10 meter in 5 second. So here 10 10 10, it means equal distance covered, time 5 second 5 second 5 second, means in 5 second he covered 10 meter, again he 5 second he again covered 10 meter, again 5 second he again covered 10 meter. It means in equal interval of time he covered equal distance. That's why this is called the uniform motion. In equal interval of time he covered equal distance here and again here. That is called the uniform motion. In 5 seconds he covered 10 meter, again in 5 seconds he covered 10 meter, again in 5 seconds he covered 10 meter. It means equal interval of time he covered equal distance. That is called the uniform motion. Okay, hope you understand it very well. Now come on the next topic. What is the non-uniform motion? What is the non-uniform motion? When an object travels unequal distance. When an object travels unequal distance in equal interval of time. That is called the uniform motion. Means distance is unequal and time is equal. That is called the non-uniform motion. Let's see the example. When any object is on A position, it move from A to B, then it cover 10 meter in how much time? 5 seconds. Again he move from B to C and cover 20 meter. How much time? 5 seconds. Again he move from C to D, then it cover 5 meter and time is 5 seconds. So here time is equal 5 second 5 second 5 second, but distance is not equal. 10 meter 20 meter 5 meter. So unequal distance is covered in equal interval of time. So here 5 second 5 second 5 second, time is equal but distance is not equal. 10 meter 20 meter 5 meter. That is called the non-uniform motion. Hope you understand it again very well. Now let's see again with the help of this chart given. Here is time, here is distance traveled by an object A. This is the A object and here is the time. Here is time again and distance traveled by an object B. Here is B object. Okay. So let's see what happened. Here time is 9:30 AM or PM, whatever. 9:30 and distance traveled by A is 10 meter. This is in meter na, so this is 10 meter and this is time. At 9:30 this is 10 meter traveled by object A and traveled by object is 12. Traveled by object B is 12 meter At 9:45, distance travelled by object A is 20 meter and distance travelled by object B is 18 meter. Again on 10, distance travelled by A is 30 and distance travelled by B is 25. Again at 10:15 p.m. AM, whatever, distance travelled by A is 40 and distance travelled by B is 35. So here 10 to 20 means what? 10 meter. 20 to 30 again 10 meter. 30 to 40 again 10 meter. So distance covered by a object is 10 meter between 15 minutes. Between 15 minutes, distance travelled by an object A is equal 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Means equal interval of time object A covered equal distance. That show uniform motion. That show uniform motion. And distance travelled by object B in 12 to 18, gap is 6 meter. 18 to 25, 7. 25 to 34, 9. So here is unequal distance covered by object B in equal time interval, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. That is called non-uniform. That is called non-uniform motion. So hope you understand uniform and non-uniform motion. I repeat my class again. What is uniform and non-uniform motion? Uniform motion, when an object travel equal distance in equal interval of time. Like A move on B 10 meter in 5 seconds. Again B from C 10 meter in 5 seconds. Again C from D 10 meter in 5 seconds. So here equal distance and equal time will take, that is called the uniform motion. And non-uniform motion, when an object travels unequal distance in equal interval of time. Here A move from B then 10 meter, B move from C then 20, C move from D then 5. Here non-equal distance travelled by an object object at A in 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, means time interval is same but distance is not same. Here chart as given. By this we also discussed the uniform and non-uniform motion, and you also calculate the speed of any object by the formula S is equal to d by t. S means speed is equal to distance upon time. Suppose here what is the distance? 10 meter upon time 5 seconds. So 2. Speed is equal to 2 meter per second. Speed is equal to 2 meter per second. By this formula you also can calculate the speed of any object. So this is my class. Hope you understand it very well. Thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here. Thank you.